So I'm looking at Tesla at 175. That's where I'll be entering below it. But I need to see momentum on NQ and other tech stocks. I'll be looking at Microsoft for a backup. There's a chance that it could reach 246 for Microsoft. 175 on Tesla. Otherwise sell under 167 point. Here we go, NQ is pushing. I need to see Tesla moving with NQ here. We're gonna pull back on NQ, but Tesla's holding, but we saw earlier that it kind of is delayed. It's kind of delayed compared to NQ. AMD shooting. Nvidia close. Yeah, and NQ selling off now. Let's have a look at SPY. Same movement as NQ. Whoa, I mean, look at that. Tesla just isn't moving. Tesla, new high here. Yeah. There it goes. Finally here. I'm about to get out. I'm out. Whoa. 150 US dollars. There it goes. It's still going here. SPY is shooting. NQ is shooting. Tesla is finally going up. Don't see anything here. Oh, Microsoft broke. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. If you'd like to see more of these day trading live videos, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to this channel.